Hello everyone, very good morning. Today in this class we are going to learn 6th unit reading B, Be Thankful, that is a poem. Okay, let us see poem. Okay, be thankful. Okay, what is be thankful? You should be thankful to someone. Usually, when do you thankful to someone? If you ever get any help, you must be thankful to someone. But beyond that manner, where do, when do you be thankful? Okay, let us see. That is the poem. Be thankful that you don't already have everything you desire. It means you desire on something, whether thing or food or anything, whatever you desire. It desire means you want it. Okay, you need it, you want it. So those all desires may not be with you, even you don't have your desired item. You should be thankful to that. So you may question me, sir, even I don't have what I desire, why do I thankful to that? So that question, answer here. If you did, so the answer is, if all things whatever you desire, everything with you, everything arranged by someone to you, if you did, in the sense everything arranged by someone or all of them with you, what would there be to look forward to? So what is the next thing? Everything you have, nothing you do, you become lazy. So if you don't have your desired one, you must be thankful to that, because if all things with you, you don't do anything, you become very lazy. That's what we have to be thankful to. Those desired one is not with you. Next one, be thankful when you don't know something. So this is also a doubtful question to you. So if you don't know something, maybe you worry about if you don't know. But even though, we have to be thankful. Why? Even you don't know something, for it gives you the opportunity to learn. So if you don't know anything, then that unknown thing gives you to learn something. Interest may gives you. So you can get opportunity to learn. Enthusiasm to learn. That unknown thing gives you opportunity to learn. That's what we have to be thankful for that. Next one. Be thankful for the difficult times. So sometimes people worry in difficult times. So this is also a difficult time. So they are worrying about these difficult times. But we should not worry about those difficult times. Instead of worry, we have to be thankful that. Why do you thankful? During those days, during those times, you grow. So those difficult times can learn you to grow. How you can grow even in difficult times. That is a one type of practice. Usually in normal times, you can do anything, you can grow it. But even in difficult times, how we can grow, that is also a one type of method, one type of a process. So that opportunity also arranged to you. We have to be thankful for that. Next one, be thankful for your limitations. So you may be worried about your limitations. I don't have something, I don't have book, I don't have bike, I don't have mobile. So all are your limitations. Your parents limit you, or your parents be in our limits. Told you be in our limits. So those all are controlling limitations. Those limitations also very helpful to you. You have to be thankful for that. Why do you have to be thankful for that? See that because they give you opportunities for improvement. So when they limit you in the limited manner, how we can grow, how we can get opportunities. So by getting that limited time, you can grow well. By using that opportunity, you can perform well. How you can utilize your opportunities? By using your opportunities, how we can improve? You can learn it. So we have to be thankful for that. Next one, be thankful for each new challenge. So if you are doing any type of puzzles or anything, something strange or difficult thing, so that is a new challenge to you. That is a new challenge to you. That new challenge. So you no need to tired of those challenges. Sir, I already completed one challenge. Why do I take another challenge? Don't think on that. So that is a new challenge. Always we look for challenges. Whenever you see challenge, you can grow, or you can step on, or you can lead. So whenever you see new challenge, that should be very helpful to you because it will build your strength and character. Okay, whenever it is a challenge, the process of looking or arranging some steps to deal that challenge, that makes you strengthen and character be strong. So we have to be thankful for each new challenge. Okay, next one, be thankful for our mistakes. So as a human being, everyone makes mistakes. That doesn't our fault, but we have to be thankful for your mistakes. But you don't repeat it. But at first, second time mistakes. So those mistakes also good to you because they will teach you valuable lessons. So if you make mistakes, you can learn what is good from that. Okay, what to do or what not to do. So this is the principle behind your mistakes. Whenever you do mistakes, you can learn what is good. So they will teach you valuable lessons. Then you can be, or you can be thankful for your mistakes, but you never repeat them. That is the good thing. Next one, be thankful when you are tired and weary. So both are tired and weary. When you are getting tired, when you are getting tired and weary, both of them same. So be thankful when you are tired and weary. After work, you become very tired and go to sleep also sometimes. So those tiredness also very helpful to you. You have to be thankful for that because it means we have made a difference. So every time you are doing some different things, so that it makes your body tired. So that means you are not a passive mood, you are in an active position. Every time you are learning and every time you have made a difference from first to middle, middle to last, last to end. So in this process, in every step, you are learning something new. There is a comparison, there is a differences. So in these differences makes you more strong, as well as it becomes a more powerful. So your tiredness and very both So you thankful for that tired and weary. Next one. It's easy to be thankful for the good things. So if you help or getting help by someone, that is very easy. That is very easy to thankful. If you get something, you thank to someone. If you give something, they thank to you. That is very easy thing. But a life of rich fulfillment comes to those who are also thankful for the setbacks. So if there is any drawback, or if you stop on somewhere, from there onwards, when you come up from there or come back from there, that is a rich fulfillment. So a life of rich fulfillment comes to those who are also thankful for the setbacks, thankful for the setbacks, and also whether those setbacks, those helpers to settle down from the trouble, either it is a person, thing, or anything. So for them, we have to be thankful for that. Have to be thankful for that. Next, gratitude can turn a negative into a positive. Um, you can see even to your enemy, if you say thank to them, it turns to positive. It turns to positive. Even they may think negative, obviously it becomes to positive. They come by negative thought. If you thank to them, it becomes as a positive. That is the power of gratitude. Gratitude can turn a negative into a positive. Find a way to be thankful for your troubles. So, what is the best choice? What is the best way to get back our field, or how to resolve our troubles? So what is the best solution? Find a way to be thankful for our troubles, and they can become your blessings. Then they who are thankful to them, they can become your blessings. So whatever you find good ways, they bless you. They bless you. So they can become your blessings. So they can give you blessings to get rid of that troubles. So this is the poem. So finally, what do you understand from this lesson? Even if you have any desired one, so you have to be thankful. But you don't have anything, that time also you have to thankful for that. So difficult times, limitations, new challenge, if you make mistakes, or if you tired, even in good things. So whatever it happens, always we have to be thankful for that. So simply call that every time you should be happy. So this happy makes you positive thought. Positive thought. So if you think any negative, automatically you also get back negative. So this gratitude, the unit gratitude tells you always you have to be thankful whatever whatever comes to you, whether it is a negative, difficult, mistake, problem, whatever it comes. So you have to think about that is a good to you. That is a good to you. So that poem tells you it is a good lesson to you. We have to be learn from everything. So now let us see how we can rhyme this poem. This is a poem, So how we can rhyme? Let us see.
thankful that you don't already have everything you desire. If you did, what would there be to look forward to? Be thankful when you don't know something, for it gives you the opportunity to learn. Be thankful for the difficult times. During those times you grow. Be thankful for your limitations, because they give you opportunities for improvement. Be thankful for each new challenge, because it will build your strength and character. Be thankful for your mistakes, they will teach you valuable lessons. Be thankful when you're tired and weary, because it means you have made a difference. It's easy to be thankful for the good thing. A life of rich fulfillment comes to those who are also thankful for the setbacks. Gratitude can turn a negative into a positive. Find a way to be thankful for your troubles, and they can become your blessings.
So thank you, one and all.